Hey guys, it's your resident online mortgage lender, Robert Lewis, NMLS license number 180100. I want to talk quickly to you today because I'm tired. It's been a long day and I want to get this information out and then enjoy my evening as well. So, per the title, you can still get a loan if you have these things. And I want it to be catchy and get you to want to click on the link so that we can give you the information that you need. So there's still a lot of you all out there, potential home buyers, that think you need 20 plus percent as a down payment to put down. And that is just not the case. So you can still get a loan if you have a minimum of 3 to 5% based upon your specific situation. If you're a first time home buyer, you can go as low as 3% on the conventional side. Obviously, you want to make sure that that loan product is best for you when you're ready to purchase a home. On the FHA side, you can go as little as 3.5% down. Don't have to be a first time home buyer. And then for subsequent home buyers that you may have a FHA loan in place already, or for whatever reason your credit scores are a lot higher, a lot better, it doesn't make sense to go FHA, you want to go conventional, but you've purchased a house in the past, you will or can get into a home with as little as 5% as a down payment. Full disclosure, anyone watching my videos, I want you to know down payment is not all of your costs. You do have closing costs. But again, this is just addressing the down payment portion of the loan process because just this week I've spoken with some first time homebuyers that were under the impression that you had to have 20 plus percent to put down. So I wanted to dispel that myth. You also can purchase a home if you have one filed tax year and you're self employed. There are conditions that must be met. 10,000 foot view is this: if you've been in the same line of work prior to you going into business and you've filed one tax year this year, so let's say 2021, you were working for an employer, W 2, and you were working with a certain title or position, you transitioned over into your own business, and uh, yeah, 2021 and 22, all of 22, you worked as a 1099 employee, regardless of how your business is structured. Well, then, if all other things are equal, and you have to reach out and we can get into the nuances, but you can have one filed tax year if the prior is in place. The prior things that I mentioned, you were in the same line of work for 2 prior years doing the same thing. So you can buy a home if you have one filed tax year as a self employed person. Reach out if you like further information. You can also buy a home if you don't have traditional credit or trade lines, or if you have a loan that has been downgraded to a manual underwrite, aka the way we used to do it, you can buy a home. Okay, you would have to have some key pieces of information to include rental history. Got to be able to verify your rental history for the most recent 12 months with no late payments. Okay, can't have any late payments. Can't have any late payments, even on a manual underwrite. Okay, we also will need 1 to 2 utility bills: gas, water, lights, electricity, as one of my kin folks used to say, twicity, electricity that's in your name or whoever's on the loan. Guess for how long? The most recent 12 months, and no late payments. Okay. And last and most definitely not least, a phone bill, right? Mr. Telephone Man. Something could be wrong with your line, but you cannot have made a late payment at any time in the most recent 12 months. That there, folks, is how you can establish your capacity and credit, right? To show that you have the ability to pay on time, every time, and you only need a 12-month history. So that is one of the ways that you can manually get approved for a home loan. So you can buy a home if you don't have any credit. Okay? Any credit. And I'm not talking about folks that have had bad credit in the past and just haven't been in the game, but folks that don't have any credit, younger folks just starting in, or maybe you're somebody that says, hey, I'm not playing that game, but you got lights, water, rent, got to have rent, right? So rent and the others are mandatory. There may also be some other compensating factors that one would have to deal with. But again, that's the nuance. That's not what we're here for. Reach out, hit that QR code, schedule a consultation if you'd like to see what options you have for your specific situation. So last thing I want to say is don't forget about the home show, baby. Welcome to the home show. Yeah, y'all know it. The home show. 7 p.m. CST, Thursdays, right? It's coming to you. Either we're going to be live or pre-recorded. We'll let you know. But we're going to be talking about documentation. We're taking you on a journey. Those of you that are out there that want to know how to buy and how to buy right and what the process is so that when you make your foray into this home buying process, you can have the best process that you can have for your situation. And it won't be as stressful as others because you'll be well educated and prepared. So this week, 7 p.m. CST, Facebook, YouTube. Okay. If you want to watch it live, come in, interact, ask your questions, or tell a friend. You know what I say? Don't be a hater all your life. So that's it, guys. Wanted to let you know that you can buy a home if these things are applicable to you, or if you thought otherwise, you don't have to think that anymore. So my time is up, but I thank you for yours. As I always say, guys, let's be good to one another. Let grace abound. And until the next time, peace. Y'all have a good evening.